How are you?
I am fine, sir.
You are here for your one of the important tasks which will be held once you will appear before the Air Force Group 2 examination. That is called group discussion. So in what manner the discussion will be concluded, I am just going to brief you. You have to follow the instruction as per my briefing. Alright? The session will be divided in the two part. One part is your narration part and other part is your discussion, group discussion part. In narration part, I will be giving 1 minute to each candidate to narrate yourself. In your narration, be precise about your introduction. Initially, you have to introduce yourself, then you have to precisely introduce the topic as well. You have to introduce the precisely topic, not the entire topic. Alright?
Yes.
We'll be starting with the chest number 1, then subsequently chest number 2, 3 and concurrently till the chest number 10. Once the chest number 10 will finish her personal introduction as well as the topic introduction, the discussion will be open. We'll be having 10 minutes to discuss a particular topic, and the topic for the discussion is reservation system in India. How the reservation was brought for the Indians and how many we have uplifted due to the reservation system, and what is the current scenario of the reservation system. You have to discuss the particular topic. At the end of the discussion, you have to conclude the topic. Alright?
Yes.
You have to conclude the topic. In your narration part, you have to be followed the instruction of the bell. Once the chest number 1, if I will ring the bell, you have to follow the instruction. The chest number 2, chest number 3 subsequently will be starting their personal introduction as well as the topic introduction. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Shall we start that?
Yes, sir.
How is the Josh?
Hi, sir.
Okay, we'll be starting with the chest number 1, please.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Chanchal. I hail from Chur, Rajasthan. I completed my 12th class from RBSC board. There are 4 members in my family. My father is working on a tea stove and my mother is a homemaker. I have one sibling. My hobbies are dancing and singing, and I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to support my family financially. Now I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to me. The topic is reservation in India. It means setting aside some seats and jobs for backward communities. Its goal to help the communities who face the inequalities in past times. William Hunter and Jyotira Phule.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Anisha Kawar and I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Recently I have completed my BSc from Kamla Nehru College, Women. My father is an army ex-serviceman and presently he is working in Kendra Bank as a cashier. And my mother is a homemaker. I have 2 siblings, both are students. My hobbies are art and craft and playing badminton. As I belong to defense background, so I wanted to join the Indian Air Force and serve the nation. Now coming towards the topic is reservation system in India. The word reservation refers to the practicing of reserving the available government seats like in schools, colleges and government jobs for the certain classes of the society.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Ritu. I am from Alwar. I have completed class 12 from RBSc board. Now I am pursuing graduation in Rajasthan University. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. I have 3 siblings. My hobbies are dancing and reading. I want to join Indian Air Force because I can help my family for financial condition and to prove womanhood and women power, or to fulfill my responsibility in serving country. Now I would like to tell you about this topic which is assigned to me. This topic is reservation in India. Reservation system in positive action in India during the British rule, and reservation system employment, government service and scholarships schemes are to develop.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Manisha. I hail from Sikar, Rajasthan. Basically, I have completed my schooling from RBSc. Currently, I am pursuing my graduation from Shekhawati University. There are 6 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a perfect homemaker. My hobby is reading new released books. Now I would like to come to the topic which has been assigned to me. The topic is reservation in India. Reservation is the most debated topic in our country. A large people of favor it. Reservation.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Pail. I hail from Sikar, Rajasthan. I have completed 12th from RBSc board and currently I am pursuing graduation from Shekhawati University of Sikar. We are 4 members in my family. My father is a truck driver and my mother is a homemaker. My hobbies are to gardening, listening to the music and playing outdoor games. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to support financially my family, as well as it gives me a golden opportunity to serve our nation also. So coming to the topic, our topic for today is reservation system in India. So reservation system is basically a positive discrimination to grow up the backward classes of India, and it is based on basically caste, religion and gender.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Zintan. I belong to Patiala, Punjab. I completed my plus 2 from CBSE board and pursuing the BTech CSE from the Bathinda University. There are 5 members in my family. My hobbies are listening music, singing and spending the time with little one. I want to join the Indian Air Force because it is a well-disciplined job and I want to live a well-disciplined life, as well as I want to serve my nation. Now I would like to discuss about the topic which has been assigned to us, reservation. Reservation is a controversial topic in India. Reservation is basically the reserved or fixed seat for the backward classes like SC, ST, OBC and some of the disabled persons.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Chanda, I am from Jharkhand. Basically I have completed class 12 from Bihar board and now I am pursuing graduation from Jharkhand. There are 4 members in my family. My father is a farmer and shopkeeper and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies is to stay mentally and physically fit and to watch patriotic movies which inspires me a lot to join in defense. I want to join Indian Air Force because since my childhood I wanted to fly fighter jets. Along with this I wanted to serve my nation. Now I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to me, and the topic is reservation system in India. Reservation system is an affirmative action. During the British rule it is created in our country. Reservation is a
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Priya. I hail from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I have completed my 10 plus 2 from CBSE board. I am an NCC certificate holder with A plus grade. I want to join Indian Air Force because I have studied in Air Force school and been into that environment since my childhood, so uniform and the discipline motivates me, and seeing aircrafts flying over on my head on daily basis is something that fascinates me to join Air Force. Now I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to me. The reservation system in India. Affirmative action, it refers to the set of policies of government to support the members of disadvantaged group that have faced historical discriminations in the area of education, unemployment.
Hello everyone, my name is Raksha. I am from Datia MP. Basically, I have completed my 12th from MP Board Bhopal and now I am pursuing graduation from Jivaji University Gwalior. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a businessman and my mother is AWW. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is not a job, it is opportunity to serve our nation. Now I would like to tell about the topic which is assigned to me. The topic is reservation. Reservation in India is a reserving of a certain percentage of the class in the certain seat. And William Hunter and Jyotirao Phule have concerned the ideas for the caste-based reservation system. And Chhatrapati Shahu, the Maharaja of the Kolhapur, have introduced the reservation in the.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Divya. I hail from Maharashtra. I have completed my 12th from the Maharashtra board and I am pursuing graduation from the Pune University. There are the 4 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are running and cycling. I want to join Indian Air Force because in this work we get to enjoy the meaningful service and embrace a good lifestyle. And I like to face adventurous and a faithful life. Now I would like to tell about the topic which has been assigned to me is reservation system in India. In the old age, the reservation is the controversial topic and the reservation is based on the caste system. Because of the caste system, many backward classes have the not any chance to get the knowledge and get the participate in the socially. So reservation system provides them
So the reservation started during the British rule in the India to uplift the standard of other backward classes and rectify the past mistake during the history.
Reservation was firstly proposed in the Constitutional Assembly, which is chaired by the B.R. Ambedkar, and it was fixed for the tenure of 10 years, but after the necessity and some of the politician issues, it was it was continuously till now.
Yes,
Like,
I agree with chess
Karnataka
number
government
2
also
answers.
announced that 17% reservations in SC and 4% reservation in Muslims.
Mahatma
Adding a
Gandhi and
point
B.R.
to
Ambedkar
Pooja's-
signed the Pune Pact, where it was divided that there is a single
Yes, I
Hindu
agree.
electorate.
Yes, I agree with chess number 8, and I want to add some points in it. Pune Pact was taken place in 1932 by the Mahatma Gandhi and B.R. Ambedkar. Actually, it was for lower caste people, and also we have the Mandal Commission, Hunter Commission for the reservation.
The age-old caste system is India is responsible of the reservation in their countries.
There are some fixed percentage for the reservation, like the 15% for SC and 7.5% for the ST, 27% for the OBC class, and 4% for the disabled persons.
In 1883, the William Hunter and the Jyotirao Phule introduced the caste-based reservation system. The aim of this reservation system is to correct the historical background or the historical injustice which are faced the backward classes in the society.
There are
As the
two types
chess
of
number 6
reservation.
says that the Baba Sahib Ambedkar wanted to implement the system for 10 years only because he believes that the affirmative action on the policies for the 10 year is sufficient to undo all the discriminatories happen in the history.
Indira Sahani case of 1992, the Supreme Court gave 27% of reservation for backward classes and stuck down 10% to the economically weak section.
On
Yes, as
13
former chess number 6 and 8 told, the percentage of reservation which is taking place in India. So also 33% of reservation is best for women also in the parliament system. There is 186 seats are reserved for women, and also the 103rd Amendment Act of 2019 have the
Yes, I-
reservation for economical weak.
Adding a
weak
point to
section.
chess number 5, as the Mandal Commission advised the committee that in 1987 the other backward class yani OBC reservation is started for 27% for the OBC class.
The article 233, 341, 342, 16 part 4a and also 102 is related with the reservation.
Yes, I agree.
Reservation system ensures equality, which relates to meritocracy. That means all people should be brought to the same level, and no one can.
Yes, I agree with the chess number 9, but I would like to add some more line in it. Article 330 includes the reservation of SC and ST in Parliament, and Article 332 includes the reservation of SC and ST in state legislature.
Article 45 deals with DPSP, Directive Principle of State Policy, which state that the upliftment of the backward classes.
Reservation is a positive discrimination whose objective to establish an equal and capable society. Reservation does not mean the crutch with the help of whole life spent, and it is the right to develop.
There
There
are
are
two
the
types of
chess number of the
reservation.
chess
First one
number
is
4.
vertical reservation. It is related with the backward classes, and second one is horizontal reservation. It is related with children's, women's, and the people with disability.
Yes, I agree with chess number 9. As she told that reservation has two parts. So basically it is based on inequality in our society. So there are three types of inequality in our society, which is based on economical conditions, socially and politically. Politically we have 33% reservation for women, and socially we have 15% for scheduled caste and 7.5% for scheduled tribes, also 27% for other backward classes, and economically we have 10% for EVS.
On 13 January 2019, President gives the to head and brought into the construction of Bill 2019.
A question arises in our mind that why the reservation is important for us. Because of the in backward classes, there is no any development of the backward classes in recent time. So it is important to development of the backward classes, and they introduce in the
Okay, now
society.
let us conclude the topic.
In the conclusion, I want to say, and our group has discussed that basically reservation, we have collected the facts of reservation, and as per my opinion, reservation should be based on physical disabilities and for the economical weaker system, because it is based on caste, religion and gender. So we can see many conflict in this, like Kuki-Meitei conflict of Manipur, and there are two tribes which are disputing about the reservation in Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh also.
Reservation is both have advantages and disadvantages, but reservation should be modified according to the qualification and their knowledge, not only based on their caste.
By concluding the topic, I would like to say that reservation benefits shown flow to the underprivileged children from deprived caste, not privileged children as a
Reservation is
caste tag.
Completely
Reservation
agree to
is-
chess number 6. The reservation should be on the qualifications of a person, because due to reservation the deserving candidates are not get the benefits as
Correct.
much as the
Thank you,
other
ladies.
classes.
What a wonderful show it was. What I feel that everyone was participating brilliantly, and the kind of the argument that you guys have raised is wonderful, healthy, concrete, and I have enjoyed the personal session. It was very articulated and wonderful sessions that I can say about that particular discussion. But whatever I have observed individually with the candidates, that what needs to be improved, I just will give you the feedback individually with test number 1, 2 and subsequently. Else everything was okay. We'll be starting with the test number 1. You have your long introduction, so it can be short and it can be tiny, and there are some silly mistakes which is not acceptable, like you said 17%. So
17%.
हाँ, what I feel that कि जिसका आप अंग्रेजी कर सकते हैं, इंग्लिश में बोल सकते हैं, उसको अगर आप हिंदी में बोलते हैं तो that means your approach is casual. You are not serious. You are a non-serious candidate that you are here. So that is what I feel that needs to be improved. Everything, it was perfect. You have done a great job. Articulated well. Introduction can be tiny. Just number 2. Wonderful start initiated by the group. That is even a positive gesture. Your argument was brilliantly and it was acceptable by everyone. Everyone is accepting and buying your argument. But there are some different kind of the observations that I do have. You were mentally absent, because you were like physically present while others were discussing. It is your job to give them a attention. They are the important one for you, and their argument and their discussion is even important for you. If you will give them attention, they will give you attention as well. All right, so be more proactive and give the proper attention. और स्टार्टिंग में जो है आपने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया था. एक चीज जो है आपका मुझे लगता है थोड़ा सा ऑर्थोडॉक्स लगता है मुझे, सिटिंग पोजीशन. आपको थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेट जो है बैठना है ना. बाकी एवरीथिंग इज परफेक्ट. और टेस्ट नंबर 3, टॉपिक के इंट्रोडक्शन को थोड़ा सा मजबूत करना है ना. जब आप स्टार्टिंग में टॉपिक को इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे थे तो जितना रॉबस्ट तरीके से आप अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं उसी हिसाब से टॉपिक को भी इंट्रोड्यूस करना, बिकॉज फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन इज द बेस्ट इंप्रेशन दैट यू कैन गिव टू एनीवन. ऑलराइट, टेस्ट नंबर 4, बी मोर स्माइलिंग. थोड़ा सा आप कूल काम सीरीन रहें, स्माइलिंग फेस रहें, परपेचुअल फेस आपका होना चाहिए. और टॉपिक आप जब एंड कर रहे हैं, टॉपिक का इंट्रोडक्शन अपने नरेशन में, अगर आप एक आधा पॉइंट मिस कर रहे हैं तो थैंक यू कहकर उसको कंक्लूड करें, सो दैट अदर विल एक्सेप्ट कि हाँ, now the test number 4 is concluded, now I need to start that. Understand? Yes. Okay. About the test number 5. Test number 5, everything is good. I think some थोड़ा से repeating words आपके थे और brilliant analytical view आपके थे. आपने बहुत अच्छे से जो है analytics दिए हैं. So that was the appreciating part.
Thank you, sir.
Test number 6. Test number 6 जो है everything is okay. आपके जो डेटा पे एनालिसिस थे दैट वाज ब्रिलियंट. दैट इज गिव अ बेस्ट इंप्रेशन कि आपने एग्जैक्ट डेटा बताएं कि किसको कितना परसेंट रिजर्वेशन जो है ऑफर्ड है, किसको नहीं है. तो डेटा वाइज आपके फैक्ट बहुत अच्छे थे. टेस्ट नंबर 7. टेस्ट नंबर 7 थोड़ा सा आपको ग्रुप के साथ कोऑर्डिनेट करना है, सिंक्रोनाइज करना. आपको अकेले नहीं रहना है ना. प्रेजेंट आप यहाँ हो लेकिन अपने आप को शो करना है कि यस मैं सबको जो है प्रॉपर सुन रही हूँ, किसके क्या आर्गुमेंट है, किसके क्या आर्गुमेंट नहीं. थोड़ा सा टॉपिक इंट्रोडक्शन को और आपको जो है मजबूत करना है, स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है, आराम से बोलना आपको है ना. टेस्ट नंबर 8, See, there are two types of the candidate. One who is able to speak and the other one who is not able to speak. You are the one who can speak well, but even you are hesitating somewhere. I don't know what went wrong with you, but be more precise about the topic. और टॉपिक पे थोड़ी सी अच्छी नॉलेज आपको बहुत अग्रेसिव और अच्छा कैंडिडेट बना सकते हैं, है ना. अदरवाइज आपकी फाइंडिंग बहुत अच्छी थी. टेस्ट नंबर 9 के साथ भी यही था, थोड़ा सा आपको प्रेजेंट रहना, फिजिकली एड्रेस करना. आपकी भी डेटा पे नॉलेज बहुत अच्छी थी. बहुत सारे ऐसे कैंडिडेट हैं जिनको मैंने देखा कि डेटा एनालिसिस, जिसको हम रीजनिंग एनालिटिक्स का पार्ट मानते हैं, रीजनेबल तरीके से आपने उसको जस्टिफाई किया. दैट इज द इंप्रेसिव पार्ट दैट यू हैव डन ए ग्रेट जॉब. बट थोड़ा सा जब तक इंप्रेसिव डेटा सब लोग नहीं सुनेंगे तब तक वो डेटा इंप्रेशन अच्छे नहीं डालेंगे, और इसके लिए आपको खुद को सब लोगों की, सब कैंडिडेट्स की बात को सुनना पड़ेगा. तो वो आप पे थोड़ा सा अटेंशन देंगे, वो भी सुनेंगे ना. फॉर टेस्ट नंबर 10 सेम प्रॉब्लम इज देयर. आपको भी जो है प्रेजेंट यहाँ रहना है, कैंडिडेट्स के साथ सिंक करना है आपको, और थोड़ा सा प्रोएक्टिवली आपको पार्टिसिपेट करना. आपका पार्टिसिपेशन जो था एवरेज था. आई एम नॉट सेइंग पुअर, पार्टिसिपेशन एवरेज था, तो थोड़ा सा मोर जो है आपको पार्टिसिपेट करना है. दैट इज ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड. इफ एनीथिंग वांटेड टू से प्लीज.
Okay. Ladies, you perform well, but I would share some observation that I observed during your discussions. First of all, starting from chest number 1, जैसे कि सर ने कहा, बिल्कुल वही चीज़ यहाँ पे मैं रिपीट करना चाहूँगा. कुछ कॉमन मिस्टेक्स एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं होती हैं, जैसे कि जिनको आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अगर आप फंबल कर रहे हैं, कोई लाइन्स नहीं बोल पा रहे, वहाँ आप हिंदी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. थोड़ा बहुत लिटिल बिट नर्वस भी थे, आई डोंट नो क्या है, वो चीज़ें थोड़ा सा इंप्रूव करने की जरूरत है. थोड़ा सा पॉजिटिव रिफ्लेक्शन रखेंगे तो ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा. चेस्ट नंबर 2, स्टार्टिंग बहुत अच्छा था, बट मुझे जो ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है, जैसे कि सर ने भी यहाँ पे बोला, पोस्चर वो थोड़ा सा एक्टिव होना चाहिए. दूसरी चीज़, आप नरेशन के टाइम पे भी एब्सेंट थे, क्योंकि नरेशन के टाइम पे आपका आई कॉन्टैक्ट प्रॉपर नहीं था. आप पर्टिकुलरली किसी कैंडिडेट को देकर बोल रहे थे, तो वो चीज़ यू नीड टू इम्प्रूव दैट. ओके, ये चीज़ आपको देखना है. चेस्ट नंबर 3, नॉट मेकिंग आई कॉन्टैक्ट लुकिंग डाउन इन नरेशंस. जब आप कर रहे थे, डेंडरली आपने स्टार्ट अच्छा किया, बट धीरे धीरे कहीं ना कहीं जो आप ग्रुप के साथ कोऑर्डिनेट नहीं कर पा रहे थे, वो कहीं ना कहीं चीज़ें देखने को मिली. तो ये इंप्रूव करने की जरूरत है, ये चीज़ ध्यान रखेंगे. चेस्ट नंबर 4, मुझे जो पर्सनली फील हुआ, थोड़ा सा, एक तो आपका जो अप्रोच सर ने बोला कि थोड़ा एक्टिव आप यहाँ पे कीजिए, अपनी वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन को बढ़ाए, थोड़ा प्रेजेंस शो कीजिए, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं लेस पार्टिसिपेशन शो हो रहा था, कि कहीं ना कहीं नर्वस, थोड़ा सा स्माइली रहेगा तो ज़्यादा रहेगा. मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि पॉजिटिव रिफ्लेक्शन अपने चेहरे पर रखिए, जिससे थोड़ा सा लगे कि आपका कॉन्फिडेंस जो है वो थोड़ा सा कहीं ना कहीं वहाँ पे देखने को मिले. तो ये चीज़ इंप्रूव करने की जरूरत है. चेस्ट नंबर 5, गुड स्टार्ट लगा मुझे एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगी आपकी, कि जैसे ही चेस्ट नंबर 10 ने अपना जो है इंट्रोडक्शन ख़त्म किया, आपने जो चांस था, मतलब जो इंट्रोडक्शन में कह रहा हूँ, जैसे ख़त्म किया, तो आपने जो कंक्लूजन वाला जो पॉइंट था वो बहुत अच्छा लिया. जैसे कि हमने बेल यहाँ पे रिंग किया, तो आपने कंक्लूजन वाला जो ग्रैब किया चांस, वो बहुत अच्छा था, क्योंकि उससे पता चलता है कि आप वेट कर रहे थे, आप सभी चीज़ों को सुन रहे थे. तो ये बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. चेस्ट नंबर 6, गुड स्टार्ट, पॉइंट्स बहुत अच्छे थे आपके, वो भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. जैसे कि सर ने बोला कि वैलिड पॉइंट्स रख रहे थे, तो वो बहुत शानदार था. तो बाकी सब कुछ ओके मेरी तरफ से. चेस्ट नंबर 7, थोड़ा सा आप जो है ना अननेचुरल लग रहे थे डिस्कशन के दौरान, मतलब प्रेजेंस ऑफ आपकी जो है कहीं देखने को नहीं मिल रही थी. कोऑर्डिनेशन पुअर था आपका, तो कोऑर्डिनेट करना है ग्रुप के साथ, राइट?
Sir, actually, I forgot contents.
सॉरी,
I forgot contents.
कंटेंट. ओके, वो मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, थोड़ा सा परफॉर्मेंस नर्वसनेस की वजह से, जब आपको देखो परफॉर्मेंस एंग्जाइटी होता है ना, तो आप कंटेंट तो भूल ही जाएंगे, ये चीज़ मान के चलना. जैसे कि चेस्ट नंबर 8 के साथ क्या है, गुड कैंडिडेट है, स्टार्ट बहुत अच्छा था, फंबल ड्यू टू द एंग्जाइटी. कौन सी एंग्जाइटी? परफॉर्मेंस एंग्जाइटी. ठीक है, अगर आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है ना कि आप अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, और फिर अगर की खराब होती है, तो चीज़ें फिर वही माइंड में रिपीट होती है, तो वो चीज़ नहीं सोचते ना. अगर गलती हो जाती है तो स्विच आगे बढ़ जाइए. अगर उसके बारे में आप सोचोगे कि मैंने तो फ्लो खराब हो गया है, तो वो एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं रहेगी, ये चीज़ ध्यान रखनी है. बाकी सब पूछा था. गुड स्टार्ट, चेस्ट नंबर जो है 9, ठीक है ना. कंटेंट भी अच्छा था आपका, फैक्ट्स मुझे अच्छे लगे, ठीक है ना. चेस्ट नंबर 10, बी मोर एक्टिव, ठीक है ना. थोड़ा सा मुझे शांत लगा आपका, ठीक है ना. प्रेजेंस शो करना, पॉइंट्स रखना, वो थोड़ा सा एक्टिव रखिए. थोड़ा सा नर्वस लग रहे थे. बाकी मेरी तरफ से सब कुछ ओके था, मुझे बहुत शानदार लगा आप लोगों का. यू डिड अ ग्रेट जॉब.
ओके, सो जितने भी व्यूअर्स देख रहे हैं इस वीडियो को, प्लीज मैं उनसे भी रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि उन्होंने गर्ल्स ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है. आपको उनका फीडबैक कैसा लगा, उनके कौन से पॉइंट अच्छे लगे, कौन से पॉइंट पे उनको इंप्रूवमेंट की रिक्वायरमेंट है, कमेंट के माध्यम से जरूर इनको बताएं. और कमेंट के माध्यम से आप जो भी चीजें बताएंगे वो उसको पढ़ेंगे और उसको पॉजिटिव वे में लेंगे और अच्छा बेहतर करने का प्रयास करेंगे.
एक चीज़ मैं बोलना चाहूँगा, देखिए काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस आते हैं कि गर्ल्स का डिस्कशन किस तरीके से होता है। तो बच्चे गर्ल्स का जो है वो डिस्कशन इसी तरीके से रहता है, गर्ल्स के साथ ही होता है। तो एक कॉमन क्वेश्चन है, आप ये बार बार ना पूछे, इसी तरीके से आपको देखने को मिलेगा। फीडबैक जो है बच्चे आप लोगों को देख सकते हैं क्या क्या कमी है जो आप लोगों को नहीं करनी है। कुछ कैंडिडेट यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहे थे, कुछ कैंडिडेट यहाँ पे जो अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहे थे, तो वो क्या क्या इंप्रूवमेंट आप लोगों को करने की जरूरत है वो आप इन जो मॉक से आप देख सकते हैं।
बिल्कुल सर, और जो गर्ल्स इनके साथ एक्चुअल रियल फेज 2 में जो पार्टिसिपेट करेगी तो वो लोग भी देख सकते हैं आपको बहुत ही टफ कंटेंडर मिलने वाले हैं, आपको कंपटीशन बिल्कुल चैलेंज करने वाले हैं। तो आप भी अपने आप को स्ट्रांग कीजिए और आने वाले दिनों में आपके लिए गुड लक। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग डिफेंस अकेडमी।